American Society of Plastic Surgery is urging Arizona lawmakers to make a change after a 12 News investigation. The I-team uncovered the questionable practice of some naturopaths in the state who are performing cosmetic surgery.
Multiple patients have complained about the practice, saying that they were botched and in some cases resulted in having to go to the hospital. The I-team's Bianca Bono has the latest developments.
Doctors demanding change following an I-team report exposing that some naturopaths in Arizona have been allowed to perform cosmetic surgeries like liposuction and Brazilian butt lifts.
It's a patient safety issue that we're all very, very concerned about.
Dr. Raman Mahabir, representing the Arizona and American Societies of Plastic Surgery, who wrote the letter.
We wanted to write that letter really in support to your story and the work that you've done, because as the past president of the Arizona Society of Plastic Surgeons, we know the patient safety issue that's at hand here.
One of those patients, Bruce Tucker.
I don't think I've taken my shirt off in public in 2 years. I don't look at myself in the mirror.
A man who says he was botched and is now suing the naturopath who performed liposuction on him. 12 News also learned of another naturopath who settled with a patient she performed liposuction on, resulting in that patient ending up in the hospital with complications. Some in the naturopathic community say they are allowed to perform minor surgeries in Arizona and argue cosmetic surgeries are minor. But the Society of Plastic Surgeons says they're not minor, and Arizona law clearly states naturopathic medicine involves non-surgical methods, and there shouldn't be any gray area.
They want to bring this attention to legislators' attention because we brought it to the attention of the naturopathic board and said, hey, there's a problem, can you help us deal with this? We didn't really feel like that got the attention that it deserved, and certainly the patient safety issue has not been addressed.
In their letter addressed to Senate President Karen Fann and Speaker of the House Rusty Bowers, the American Society of Plastic Surgeons says the gross disregard for patient safety is utterly appalling, adding it is truly distressing that a naturopath would perform any surgical procedure, let alone something as invasive and risky as a Brazilian butt lift. The letter concludes by asking lawmakers to pursue legislation to close the loopholes in Arizona law that have allowed these practices to continue.
I'm confident in our legislators. I've seen them enact legislation that does exactly what we need them to do here: protect patients.
The Arizona Naturopathic Medical Association responded to the plastic surgery community's letter with a letter of their own, arguing, quote, naturopathic physicians are exactly that, physicians, saying the profession is properly regulated by the board, and that the Society of Plastic Surgeons has, quote, generalized one situation that is being investigated and handled appropriately by the board, though the board dismissed Tucker's complaint and did not discipline the naturopath for performing the surgery.
Every specialty will have bad behaviors, a few bad apples, if you will, but usually the medical boards, the regulating authorities take those on and take care of it at that level.
And since our original story aired, the Naturopathic Medical Association has created a minor surgery committee to sort out what surgeries naturopaths can and cannot do. But again, the Plastic Surgery Society believes Arizona law makes it clear they can't do any. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, Bianca, thank you.